go take the clothes to dirty clothes. Let me tell the laundromat. Yeah. Okay. Right. What happened? What? What's the problem? Alright, let's put on some clothes so we can run down to the laundromat. And we're gonna go get some meats. And oh! You pooed it. Yeah, you pooed it. Doo-doo. Oh, you got a doo-doo. Huh? You got doo-doo. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. Think it's something like my name was bad, bitch. But let's something like a something savage. I hate when I leave a sock and then the other one come back clean and this one dirty. Oh, dude. Oh. Come on, what you finna put on? Hello? Come, we gotta go out. Bye bye. Let's put on some. Hey. Come here, son. Come here. Put your feet in. You okay? Yeah, you okay? Yeah, we about to go to the store. Is that cool with you? Huh? Come here, put your shoes on. Are they out there? Let mommy get them. Let's get your shoes. Let me see. Put your feet in. Hey, we don't need this. That's not going. Other feet. This feet. This feet. Yes. Oh. Gotta get that balance together. That ain't gonna hurt. Always hollering over. Stinky Pete. Stinky Pete. Stinky Pete, 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 Pete. He got little Stinky Pete, 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 Pete. Oh, don't hit me though, dog. Put your vest on. Put your vest on because it's getting a little chilly, chilly, chilly. Come here. Bugs. Booger. Come put your vest on. Put your arms in. I just want to celebrate. Yeah. Y'all, we finna go get us some stuff. Baby home tomorrow. And really, it's just to break up. You know, make the day go by faster. Today is the last day I got to be in here by myself without my man. My man is on the road. He get off the road today. But I know I'm going to go get some steaks, filleted and on a bone. I'm going to get some chicken wings. I'm going to get some chicken breasts. So I'm going to get 2 kilos of chicken breasts. I'm going to get 1 kilo of chicken wings, 1 kilo of dum-dums, some chicken thighs. Okay, now me and my main man looks presentable. Okay, he want me to zipping up his vest right now. Okay. let's not forget the passport, because when you're using debit at some of these stores, you gotta have your passport. Why, I don't know, but let's get that. We got that. Let's get this. All right, we got that. Come on, booby. You go bye-bye. Got that. And put you in your seat. Look here. All right. Hold on, booby. Ready? Yeah! Yay! Ah! All right. Get your cup. Bugs, please don't fall. Like you fell out the store. Fell out the seat yesterday in the store trying to get the candy. And I am just as crazy because I don't know why the first thing I can do is laugh. Like, that's some shit. Of course I'm grabbing them, but I'm laughing at a mess. You're welcome, baby. Got the keys, the passport, got my bags. Oh, you know what? Before I go anywhere, you guys, hold on. I gotta go ahead and put my stuff in the translator right now, but I got the bags. We ready to go. I'll catch y'all when we heading outside. Alrighty, so me and main man is heading out. Oh, we got the keys. She do. Oh, damn, that's me. So we have 3 stores to go to. We're going to stop at the laundromat, then we want to stop at the Coto, and then on the way back from the Coto, we're going to stop at the meat man. So, come on with your girl. So as you guys can see, we are here at the place, and I'm gonna knock. Alright. Oh shit. Hola. Gracias. Thank you. Right, so that is done. Drop that off, and now his water can stop falling. We are going to head to the Coto motel. Like I was saying, guys, we are headed to the Coto. Y'all know I cannot multitask, but we're gonna try. So I got me a little list made already for the things that I need. Gracias. So my hands did get a little bit tired. Check out, y'all. I couldn't record, but we're out of the Coto. That's what we got. Now we're heading to the meat man. I'm going to get some steaks, some chicken breast, some chicken thighs, and some chicken wings. So come on. And the apartment is right on the next block. I love it here. Doggy. Hola. Hi. And then 1 kilo of these wings. Gracias. 52.370. And just like that, we're all done. I hit every stop I was supposed to go to. I didn't take no shortcuts like I wanted to. Oh, and this is amazing out here. It's noontime, lunchtime. So let's see if I can make some lunch and chill out until nap time. Guys, if you've stayed around this long, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next vlog.